To draw tangent to a circle when the point is given and center is known, draw a circle of given radius. Identify the center of the circle O. Identify the given point P on the circumference of the circle where tangent has to be drawn. Join OP. Now draw an angle OPT using a protractor making 90 degrees. Extend the line PT to PT dash. TPTQ is the tangent. To draw a tangent to a given circle from a given point when center is unknown, draw the circle of given radius. Identify the point P on the circumference. Draw any random chord PR and identify a random point Q on the major arc PR. Join QP and QR. Measure the angle PQR using a protractor and note it down. Using RP as base, draw an angle RPT, making the same angle equal to PQR. Now, PT is the tangent. Extend TP line to T dash. TP dash is your tangent. To draw two tangents from a given external point to a circle when center is known, draw the circle with the given radius. Identify the center and mark it as O. Identify the external point P given. Join OP. Now draw a bisector to the line OP, or in other words, find the midpoint of OP. Mark it as Q. With Q as center and PQ as radius, draw the circle. The circle intersects the given circle at 2 points R and T. Now join the points PR and PT. PR and PT are the two tangents. To draw two tangents to a given circle from an external point when center is unknown, draw the circle with the given radius. Identify the external given point and mark it P. Draw a secant PAB to the circle. Extend the line APs to a point C such that AP is equal to PC. Use the compass to transfer the length of AP as PC. So P is the midpoint of the line AC. Now draw a bisector of the line BC, or in other words, find the midpoint of the line BC. Using this midpoint of BC as center of circle and BC as diameter of circle, draw a semicircle. At point P, draw a perpendicular to the line BC. Let the perpendicular intersect the semicircle at Q. Using P as center and PQ as radius, draw two arcs to cut the given circle and name the points R and T. Now join PR and RT, which are the two tangents drawn from external point P to the given circle. To draw a circumcircle to a given triangle, draw any given triangle ABC. Draw bisectors of any two sides. I am bisecting the side AB and BC. This line bisects the side AB of the triangle. Now draw similarly the bisector of side BC. Let the two bisectors meet at a point D. With D as center and DB as radius, draw the circle which is the circumcircle to the triangle. To draw incircle to a given triangle, draw the given triangle ABC. Draw bisectors of any two angles. I am drawing angle bisectors of angle B and C. The line is the angle bisector of angle B of the triangle. Now draw an angle bisector to angle C of the triangle. The line drawn is the angle bisector of angle C. Let the two angle bisectors intersect and name the point I. Now draw a perpendicular to the side BC passing through point I. Name the point of intersection of perpendicular with BC as D. Now with I as center and ID as radius, draw a circle which is the incircle to the given triangle. To draw a circumcircle to a given polygon, which is a hexagon in this case, draw the regular polygon or hexagon. Draw the first regular side of the hexagon with given length. I took AB as 4 centimeters. Draw from the vertex B an inner angle of 120 degrees, which is the inner angle for hexagon. Set off the new vertex C using compass, or transfer the same length AB and cut off the new line. Identify the next vertex C and join CB the next side. At vertex C, again draw internal angle 120 degrees and set off the next vertex D. Join CD to get the next side of the polygon. Repeat this process until the regular polygon construction is complete. In case of a hexagon, the internal angle is 120 degrees. For pentagon, internal angle would be 108 degrees. For octagon, internal angle would be 135 degrees. Remaining procedure would be the same for all regular polygons. Identify the last vertex F. Join FA to complete the regular polygon construction. Now draw perpendicular bisectors to any two sides of the given polygon. I chose AB and BC. I am drawing perpendicular bisector of side AB and BC. Join the line which would be the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Join the line which would be the perpendicular bisector of side BC. Let these two perpendicular bisectors intersect at point O with O as center and OA or OB as radius. Draw a circle which would be the circumcircle to the given regular polygon. Draw incircle to a given regular polygon, which is a hexagon in this case. Draw the regular hexagon. Draw the first regular side of the hexagon of given length. I am taking 4 centimeters as the length. Draw the first side AB. At the vertex B, draw the internal angle 120 degrees. For hexagon, it is 120 degrees. If it is a pentagon, it is 108 degrees. If it is an octagon, it would be 135 degrees internal angle. With B as center, set off the next vertex C. Join CB to obtain the next regular side of the polygon. At C, again draw internal angle 120 degrees. Using compass, set off the next vertex D. Join CD to obtain the next side of the polygon. Repeat the same process until the whole regular polygon is constructed. The only difference is, if it is a hexagon, the internal angle would be 120 degrees. If it is a pentagon, it would be 108 degrees. If it is an octagon, it would be 135 degrees. The remaining procedure to construct a regular polygon would be the same. From the last vertex F, join FA to complete the regular polygon, which is a hexagon. Now draw angle bisectors to any two angles. I have chosen angle A and angle B of the hexagon. I am drawing angle bisectors at angle A and angle B. Draw the line which would be the angle bisector of angle A. Draw the line which would be the angle bisector of angle B. Let the two angle bisectors meet at point I with now draw a perpendicular from passing through I to the side AB. Drop a perpendicular from I to AB. The point of intersection with AB is named G. Now with I as center of circle and IG as radius, draw a circle which would be the incircle to the given regular polygon or hexagon.